This video can be used to assist with the installation of the 35-inch or 47-inch Elite sliding full rotation mirror. Step 1. Start by detaching the slides from the mirror. To do this, extend the slides and swing the plates outwards to remove the screws and washers from the top and bottom of the plate. Step 2. Mount the plate at the desired height. Before you begin, ensure the rollers are facing towards the front of the panel. Step 3. Attach the mirror to the slides. Reinstall the washer and screw at the top and position the mirror over top of the screw. Now line up the holes at the bottom and install the washer and screw. Step 4. Move the swing arm into the desired position hole and adjust the tension screw if needed. Your sliding full rotation mirror is now ready to use.